Hello and welcome to our EMDECS July 2022 update. Over the past few months, you've likely noticed a slight visual facelift to our system that we hope you've enjoyed. But today, let's get into entirely new features brought forward by our dedicated development team. Improving efficiencies at every level of your business is one of the core aspects behind EMDECS. One of the most successful ways we do this is through providing insightful exports and reports assembled from various data you input into the system. Let's take a look at the new options available to you. The first new export is available on the Campaign Manager screen. Through the internal and external campaign tabs, you can quickly access all your campaigns or sort out only completed or remaining units. Next, over on the Warehouse Manager screen, we've added a great new way for operations to quickly perform a mass review of their current replenishment settings and, in turn, determine the potential need for a mass update to your inventory management methods. Simply use the new Export button to download a spreadsheet of stock replenishment preferences by category, such as brakes. And then, over on the Report screen, we've added a new counter-sale backorder report that generates a list of all backorder parts within a specific date range to help you ensure you're always on top of customer orders. At BrightOrder, we're always striving to remove any unnecessary extra steps you have to perform in your day-to-day tasks. Any time saved on even small tasks can make a big difference in the end, and this is why integrations are always a priority. Introducing our new Order Tires integration. With this new integration, you can now check stock, pricing, and ultimately order tires directly through the system, all while having POs automatically synced. Simply use the respective hyperlink on the Order Parts screen to prompt a pop-up where you can find exactly what tires you need. Once placed, the system will send the order off to the vendor and automatically create the purchase order in EMDECS, which later can be found under the WIP and Receive Parts screens. Welcome to our new way to seamlessly order more vital parts for your operation. Being better organized is always of benefit to your operation, but also your peace of mind. If your operation organizes expenses based on account groups, you can now adjust these on the fly via the repair order. This simple addition helps apply the correct breakdown for costs and revenue to any of your repairs, ultimately saving your accounting team time, resources, and unnecessary headaches after the fact. Tracking technicians' actual hours is a simple yet vital asset of the EMDECS system, and now we've added a new method of doing so with the Technician Time Scan screen. If your operation already uses barcode scanners, you can now have technicians clock onto your repair order activities through a simple beep. Technicians sign on as usual through a scan of their label ID and simply move from job to job via the barcode on the repair order. These are just a few of the ways EMDECS is helping to save you more time and increase your operations efficiency at every level. For a more detailed rundown of all the bug fixes, new features, and system updates, feel free to take a look at our release notes under the System Status and Updates section of our knowledge base at help.emdecs.com.